Good afternoon, my dear grade 6.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
May I request everyone to please stand next to me. Can you lead us a prayer, Margie? Amen. You will now sit down with us. So, kindly check if your chairs are well aligned.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any absent today, class?
Ma'am.
Very good. I am glad that you are all present for today. So before we start, I have here our classroom rules. Will you please read the first one, Margie? Listen carefully. Okay, you need to listen carefully for you to be able to understand our lesson for today. So the second one, can you read that?
Follow directions.
So you need to follow all the directions that will be given to you in order for you to understand. And the next one, may you please read Jade.
Respect others. Be kind with your words.
Okay, so you need to respect your others, your classmates, and also your teachers. So the next one, can you read Isha?
Raise your right hand if you want to recite.
Okay, so if you have something to say or you want to ask something, raise your right hand. And lastly, always try your best. Now, before we proceed, do you still remember our previous lesson, class? What was our previous lesson, Margie?
The different types of weather.
Thank you. And what are the different types of weather at that time?
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, stormy, and windy.
Okay, very good. I am glad that you can still remember our previous lesson. Now, we're going to sing a song. Can you please stand and let us sing this song? And the rest of the participants are going to guess one representative for each group, please.
within a short period of time. It can change anytime.
Okay, thank you. So it says here that weather refers to the condition of a place in a short period of time. And it can change anytime. For example, the weather for today is sunny and tomorrow is windy. And weather has 6 elements. The first one is temperature. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of the atmosphere. So it says here the temperature defines how hot or cold the air is. The next one is precipitation. Can you read the definition, Margie?
This refers to any form of water such as rain, snow, sleet, or rain that falls from the atmosphere to the earth's surface.
Good. So, it says here that precipitation refers to any form of water, such as rain, snow, sleet, or hail that falls from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. So, precipitation is any form of water falling from the sky like rain. The next one is wind. Can you please read, Isha?
Wind, the movement of air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Wind direction indicates the direction from which the wind is blowing.
Right, so wind is the movement of air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Wind direction indicates the direction from which the wind is blowing. And the next one is cloudiness. So it says here that cloudiness is the amount of cloud cover in the sky. It's expressed as a percentage of sky covered by clouds. For example, if the sky is clear, 0% or 100% completely overcast skies. Cloud type and altitude also influence weather conditions. Says here that any form of cloud can affect or influence weather conditions. And then the fifth one is the atmospheric pressure. It is the force exerted by air molecules in Earth's atmosphere against the surface. It is also known as air pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by air molecules in Earth's space. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
The last one is humidity. Humidity is the concentration of water vapor percent in the air. Humidity indicates the likelihood for precipitation to or 40%. So, humidity has something to do with the fact or dew that is present. Let's move on to weather pattern. So, it says here that weather pattern is the repeated weather conditions of a particular place and at a given time. So, we have tackled earlier that weather is a condition that can change any time. But weather pattern is the repeated weather conditions. Then the Philippines has 2 distinct seasons. The first one is dry season. So it occurs from November to May. The dry season, or what we call anihan or nervous monsoon, typically runs from November to May. So it says here that dry season starts from November to May and is characterized by hot and humid weather with little to no rainfall. Dry season has little rain. And this is the example of dry season. Have you seen someone like this in your base class?
Yes, ma'am.
If you see something like this, it defines the dry season.
Okay, let's proceed to number 2, which is wet season. Wet season, or what we call habagat or southwest monsoon. Wet season or rainy season generally occurs from June to October, marked by frequently rainfall and high humidity. So wet season class is uh, a rainy season with a high humidity. As you can see class on the picture, it is a rainy season. We understand our topic class? What are the two main seasons of the Philippines?
Dry, sun, and wet
Season. So let's proceed to our group activity. So I will group you into three groups. So before we start our activity, can you please read Marky the rubrics?
So, criteria, process skills. So, to beginner, members do not demonstrate target process skills. Acceptable, members occasionally demonstrate target process skills. Proficient, members always demonstrate targeted process skills.
Very good. So let's proceed to our group activity. So I will group you into three groups. So this will be the activity for group 1 and for group 2, for group 3. Please read the directions before you answer it. And I will give you 20 minutes to answer your work. let's proceed to, I will call each group one representative to present your work. For group 1, please representative for group 1.
So put a check. It says here that put a check if the statement is correct and X if it is not. So number 1, the Philippines have 2 seasons and we put correct because there are 2. The start of wet season is on January and it's wrong since the wet season is in June. The farmers time to plant their crops during wet season, correct? Dry season is the best time to travel, correct? Dry season start in June, wrong, says summer shop. It is advisable to wear dark colored shirts during dry season. No, kasi mainit yung dark color. You need to bring umbrella during wet. Yes. During wet season, the air is hot and humid. No. People consider the season of the Philippines in planting and in drying crops or doing activities. Yes, and the dry season is influenced by seasonal wind and northeast monsoon. No.
Very good, group 1. So all of your answer is correct. And group 2, one representative for group 2.
Identify the statement describe it or right. If wet season, write the word and if dry line. Number 1, this is the best time to swim. Dry season. Number 2, people always bring their umbrella for emergencies. Wet season. This is the time for farmers plant their crops. Wet. People go to vacation during this season. Dry. The time of the month where classes are suspended. Wet. You need to wear light colored shirts during this season. Dry season. This season is very cold. Wet. You cannot go out during this season. Wet. People go camping in the woods. Dry season. And best time to go to the beach. Dry season.
Good. So also group 2 the perfect score. And group 3, your representative. You represent your works.
Find the words that is related to the wet and dry season. We have hand, hot, cold, rainy, season, cloud, typhoon, tropical, equator, and blue.
All of you got the perfect score. So thus I have some questions for you to answer. Why is it important to understand weather pattern? Then why is it important to understand weather patterns?
For us to know para kung ano yung dapat natin gawin during that season and yung mga sinusunod natin.
Very good. So how we can apply to our daily lives? Joylene, how we can apply weather patterns to our daily life?
We can apply the weather patterns in our daily life because if we know the weather, we can use the appropriate na isusuot.
Very good. So let's proceed to our next activity. And now let's do the recap about the lesson that we have discussed. Can someone answer me? What do you call the repeating weather condition of a period of time? And then pa? What's the repeating weather condition?
Weather patterns.
Very good. So what are the two types of what are the two main season of the Philippines? Rain.
dry season and wet season.
Very good.
So how about monsoon characterized by hot and humid weather with
Little no rainfall. J.
Can you repeat the question, please?
How about monsoon characterized by hot and humid weather with
Little no rainfall.
Sure, Akina.
Very good. So, good job guys. Now let's give yourself a round of applause. Okay, let's proceed to our quiz. We have a quiz for today. Are you ready guys for our quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So are you ready guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good.